Aloha friends, this is Tutu at Aloha Food Forest. Today I want to show you our lowered garden bed with a Hügelkultur mound behind it and how I planted this banana here in the lowered bed. So let me walk a little bit closer to this. There's some potatoes doing well in here too. This is a little trench. It's about 18 inches deep in the ground and filled with compost. And then behind it over here, you see this big mound. This is an old Hügelkultur. I built them at the same time. So with the Hügel, I put a deep trench, like 3 feet deep, and put some big branches in there and then filled it with a bunch of other garden material. And then when I dug out the trench here, I filled up the Hügel to cover it all up. And of course I also used what I dug out of the Hügel trench as well. So it ends up kind of like a mound here. So what happens when it rains is the rainwater is coming slightly downhill here and it lands in this lower garden bed, boom, and it settles there. And if it continues to fill up, at a certain point, it will start overflowing into this Hügel bed, which is not a solid dirt. It's got pockets of open pockets, between the branches. So then water goes even deeper down into the soil, deeper into the soil. So it's a way to help store water and to passively water trees. So I just wanted to point out that this, if you could look at the size of this one here, this is the only banana that I planted in a lowered bed. And I planted it at the same time, and it was only one stalk, okay? Because I always just plant one stalk. So I put it in, so now you can see it's got 1, 2, 3 big stalks and 4 little ones, so at least 7 banana stalks, and look how tall it is. And I just wanted to show you the other ones that I planted at the same time. This one, not in a lowered bed whatsoever, just in the regular ground. This one over here in the regular ground. And then this one here, well, it's kind of next to a lowered bed, so it is looking a little better. But I'm really just wanting to point out to you how, if you can see the height difference maybe from here. Okay, the bananas in the lowered bed did so much better than the ones I just put in the ground. So I just love to record and observe those kinds of things and share them with people because it's a useful thing. See, we have a gentle slope, so we're using that slope to collect water. So it's really fun. We're having fun playing here at the food forest, and I hope this helps anyone who's thinking about planting bananas or has a slope to plant on, how you can do a simple thing like that and make such a huge difference. Okay, aloha.